Two Trinity River bridges are located just south of Goodrich and Livingston, Texas. The trains that run on these bridges go northeast through Nacogdoches and south through Houston. Exit Highway 59 to access these great bridges and the river. Enjoy a nice view from a winding side road up to the public boat ramp. The public boat ramp provides beautiful views of the Trinity River. There's a nice spot to have a picnic at the boat ramp. And it looks like there are a couple of free boats too. The Highway 59 bridge is nice and clean, as is the rest of the area. This is a nice place to enjoy the scenery if you don't mind the constant sound of cars passing by.